Hey YouTube, we're going to replace the the knock sensor on the car this morning. And we're going to do it while the heads are still off, make it easy. It's down by the starter. So we'll try. Bum, 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 bum. There it is. So it looks like a 7/8. We'll get that off of there. So there's the old knock sensor. Sitting in a water jacket. I did end up putting a little pipe dupe on there. After seeing all that coolant come out. Shots here, but tough little area to get to. That's why I decided to do it with the head still off. Car's 40 years old, so I'm just going to replace every sensor, every electronic sensor on there. They're only good for so long, it could start getting whacked out and out of calibration.
All right. And so